In the rustic parish of Lamelas, nestled on the south side of Santo Tirso, a unique residence emerges, TM House. This T4 typology home, designed by Inception Architects Studio A, seeks to forge an intimate connection between its inhabitants and their surroundings. The architects meticulously considered the site's limitations, allowing the house to gracefully embrace its natural environment. The interior design of TM House prioritizes natural light. Large windows and carefully positioned openings frame the surrounding scenery, visually expanding the interior spaces and inviting the outdoors in. This emphasis on light and views creates a sense of openness and connection to nature. The house itself follows an L-shaped floor plan. Upon entering, one is greeted by a spacious hall that seamlessly connects to the outdoor pool, inviting immediate relaxation and enjoyment of the surrounding environment. The hall also serves as a central hub, leading to the generously proportioned common room and kitchen, the laundry area, and a charming supporting patio. On the eastern side of the house, the private quarters unfold, a dedicated home office, 2 bedrooms each with their own ensuite bathrooms, and a luxurious master suite. These intimate spaces offer tranquility and privacy while still maintaining a connection to the overall flow of the residence. The south-facing exterior of TM House revolves around a captivating rectangular pool and a dedicated leisure area. This outdoor space features a comfortable living area and a barbecue area, perfect for entertaining guests and enjoying the warm Portuguese weather. TM House is a testament to the architect's skillful integration of form and function. The design respects the natural context while creating a modern and inviting living space. The interplay of light, shadow, and natural materials results in a home that is both visually striking and incredibly comfortable. It is a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, fostering a harmonious relationship between the inhabitants and their surroundings. The architects at Inception Architects Studio A have successfully achieved their goal of creating a residence that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. TM House stands as a testament to their commitment to innovative design and their ability to create spaces that enhance the lives of those who inhabit them. This unique home serves as a model for contemporary residential architecture, demonstrating how thoughtful design can seamlessly blend modern aesthetics with the natural environment. TM House is not merely a dwelling, it is an experience, a testament to the power of architecture to enrich our lives. The most striking feature of TM House is its dramatic concrete roof. This monolithic form not only provides shelter but also extends to encompass several outdoor patios, creating an intriguing interplay of solid and void, shade and sunlight. The roof's sinuous shape adds a dynamic element to the otherwise serene landscape. In conclusion, TM House is a remarkable achievement in residential architecture. It exemplifies the harmonious integration of form, function, and context. Through its innovative design and meticulous attention to detail, the architects have created a truly inspiring living space that celebrates the beauty of both the built and natural worlds. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. See you in the next one.